designing prototypes that looked straight out of a science fiction novel. However, these initial designs were often impractical or too dangerous for real-world use. The turning point came in the early 21st century when advancements in technology and the rise of AI made the dream of flying cars a feasible reality. Companies like Uber and Airbus started developing prototypes of flying cars with sophisticated AI systems for navigation and safety. Today we have cars that can drive themselves, drones that can deliver packages, and AI-powered robots that can perform complex tasks. The integration of AI into flying cars is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible reality that's being tested and honed. We're witnessing a fascinating convergence of two revolutionary technologies, AI and flying cars. And as these technologies continue to evolve, they're reshaping our understanding of what's possible. Today, we stand on the precipice of a new era where AI and flying cars might soon become an everyday reality. From a mere dream to a potential reality, the journey of AI and flying cars has been nothing short of extraordinary. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered. We've seen how artificial intelligence has evolved from a far-fetched concept into a daily reality, transforming industries and changing the way we live. We've also delved into the development of flying cars, an idea that once belonged purely to the realm of science fiction, but which now stands on the cusp of becoming a tangible reality. We've explored the potential of these two revolutionary technologies, AI and flying cars, and how their integration could redefine our future. Imagine a world where congestion is a thing of the past, where travel is not just faster, but smarter, safer, and more efficient. While we may not have flying cars zipping around just yet, the fusion of AI and aviation technology suggests that our sci-fi fantasies may soon take flight.